Welcome back to the channel. Missed you. I did. I am gonna take you guys through a little prep for the week sesh. It is Sunday, so on Sundays I prep for my week. If I don't have any plans, obviously. This is like my dream Sunday. So I thought this actually would be a really fun vlog to film, just because I think this is a highly requested question of how I successfully prep for my week to have a productive week. So with that being said, I have a lot to do today because I had my event. If you guys watched the staycation vlog, I had the staycation and then it was Super Bowl weekend and there was just so many things going on. I had friends in town because everyone was coming in town for the Super Bowl, and your girl has truly like so much stuff around that it actually gives me anxiety to look at. And I haven't unpacked from the staycation. I haven't done a lot. And so I know that I need this week to catch up on a lot of things and just have a really good week. So I'm putting the time aside and I'm doing it. With that being said, I thought I would film it for you guys. But before I do, I also wanted to show you guys with the packages that I was going through downstairs, I have some new Revolve fits that I thought would be cute to just do a miniature haul of like my favorites that I got. So, and then I'll link them all below. Also, I appreciate the feedback. People were like, can you do the exact links? I got you. So I'm gonna link the exact links below of the fits. Let's do that first, and then we'll go into the rest of the planning for the day because we all know that needs to happen ASAP. Okay, so me just like holding the shoe. This is the sweater that I'm wearing, which is so cute. It also can button up all the way, but it's a little toasty out, so I thought it was cute, like open. And then these are my jean shorts. I got these because I need jean shorts so bad going into the summer, and I feel like I can never find jean shorts that are actually a solid length, aren't too tight where they're uncomfortable to wear and like look super cute on, and these do magic. Like look so cute. Again, just love. And then I paired it with these blue Ray sandals that are the same color as my sweater. Next up is this cute little top. Like how cute is this little sweater top? It has like all the ruffles. Also could wear this with like the jean shorts, or even I feel like you could dress it up because the ruffles are just like a moment. And then I put my hair up. I got this cute little hair clip as well. Guys, I feel cute. I feel cute. It's like those little tops that are more of a statement as well. Like you have your essentials, and then the tops that are just like create a vibe, I feel like are so cute. So again, I'll link these little items below that I got, but I think they're super fun. Lastly, I put on this little sweatsuit because I like to do my Sunday shenanigans in something comfy. So this is actually also from Revolve. I tucked it under my sports bra because it kind of does have this like awkward length to me, so I actually liked it a little bit more tucked. So you just put a sports bra on and you can just literally tuck it into the sports bra and then just go like that. Cute. Also, no sweatpants ever are that long, just so you guys know. For all my shorties, these sweatpants are insanely long, so they might be a little long on you, but for all my tall girls, these sweatpants are very long. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. All right, so before I do anything, I am going to write an entire list of everything that I need to do today, but plus just like what's on my mind. I call it a mind dump or free your mind, and truly I just write everything that comes to mind. Not as much like a journal, like you're like, I am feeling these emotions. If that is what you need to do, that would be a separate thing. This is more of like everything that is a to-do list moment. You got to get it out of your brain. So Sunday, I love to take the time to actually get it out of my brain. Like literally it could be something for Friday, but at least I have it written down, so then I'm not thinking about it every single day, right? Because you don't want to forget it. So with that being said, I literally already got started, and you'll see I write literally like all of the things I need to do, and then next to it I'll write what day I need to get that done. And also sometimes if it's like what day I need to get that done, and if it's someone else I need their attention. So if it's like JT, I need to ask him a question, I'll put his name next to it and what day I will ask it. So helpful. And so then today I have things that are like for Sunday, which is like grocery shopping, watering my plants, little things like that. So laundry. So this is insanely helpful. I'm gonna keep finishing because I still have things on my mind. But you guys, this is a game changer. Also from there, once I do this, I will then add things into my calendar. So this I'm still learning and trying to perfect, but my friend Erin talked about this and how much it's helpful is in your to-do list. Sometimes you have 3 things, right? I like to just do, I will accomplish 3 things and leave it at that. But with that being said, maybe one of those things could take 3 hours, right? Hypothetically, could take 3 hours. And then you have the other 2 things. Or maybe those 3 things could take 15 minutes. And what I mean by that is adding those items into your calendar. So your 3 top things you need to do today. So for me, it would be grocery shopping, laundry, and watering my plants. Like those are my 3 things that would make me feel so accomplished that if I did on this Sunday. So with that being said, I'm going to add them into my calendar with everything else going on, and I'm going to put the realistic time I think that it'll take me. You know, I feel like for me, I don't know about anyone else, but when someone's like, how much time do you need? I'm like, oh, I'll be so fast. You know, like I'll go to the grocery store, I'll run in and out. And I end up being there for an hour. So I think it's giving yourself that time. So when you see your calendar, you're like, okay, I know that I'm actually not available from 1 to 2 because that's how long it's gonna take. Instead of being like someone says, hey, can you do this thing for me? And you're like, sure. And then you just keep pushing actually your to-do list down and you're just adding those things in that people are asking for you to do rather than being like, you know what, from 1 to 2, I actually am booked, so I can do it after. This is something I'm really trying to master, but adding it once you do your to-do list into your calendar, I do think is a game changer to actually get things done. And the best part is if you do finish those 3 things, you can go after and pick some other items on the list. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to finish writing my list and then I'm going to add the things into my calendar. Let me know if that makes sense. I can always go deeper into it once you guys see this, but I will say that is a game changer for me to actually get things done. Okay, next up is watering my plants. I actually learned this trick. So you could just do it in a bowl of water. I put mine in a sink and then I push the plug down. I can't speak. I push the plug down and so then now it can just drink up as much water as it needs and I can just go do my thing. So it's super nice. I just leave them in here and then I'll come back in like 30 minutes. so obviously my laundry's in here, but I wanted to show you guys these baskets. I also use them for like when I have to move things from downstairs to upstairs, like just pile everything in here. They're so large and they're so nice. I got them on Amazon. I'll link them below. And then also another trick that I've been doing is that I'll leave like baskets on the stairs. And so whenever I like do something downstairs, I'll just put it in the basket. So at least it's not like everywhere. And then I know that this basket needs to go upstairs. So I find just like having these around are super nice. All right, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this like super quick, but like realistic little moment that I do on a Sunday. I obviously want to prep for success, but I also want to have a little time to myself too. So I try not to make it too long, too crazy, but all of the things I showed you guys were the necessities that I can see really set me up for success. So a clean home, clean space, organizing my calendar, writing a mind dump or freeing your mind, watering my plants, like around the whole house, laundry because I want to have like fresh clothes, all that good stuff for the week. And yeah, and truly just like cleaning up my space. So those are my main things. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go on just a nice little walk. It's so stunning outside. So for me, just like a little self-care, maybe I'll meet JT see where he's at. I know he like went to see some friends and stuff. So that is my little Sunday plans. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and anything that you guys can use to implement into your routine that was helpful, try it out, you know? I think I always am changing and grooving with like new tools and habits, but these ones have stayed pretty loyal and they definitely help me set up for a successful week. So, all right, my loves, I am off to see the sunshine. Make sure you like and subscribe because it helps your girls' channel. And as always, let me know what you guys want to see more of, or if you just like me randomly just doing my days and my lives and showcasing those. But yeah, you guys are the best.